welcome to Adventures with Peps. Hello. I managed to get my hands on a sealed copy of Prophecy of the Wolf, Alpha Predators Hunted Amidst the Ruins of War. I can't remember the full story behind this box, but it was probably one of the last sets that came out. Trying to think when this came out now. A few years back, I think it was the last set in 8th, and it was the hint of what was going to be in 9th. But it had Leman Russ versus Ghazghkull. Look at the artwork. Ghazghkull looks like a beast. Leman looks like he always does. And inside, hang on, let's just do the horrible plastic. So, Prophecy of the Wolf. The most powerful orc warlord in the galaxy, Ghazghkull Fracker, is drawing warbands of brutal and hulking orcs to him. His power is unrivaled among the greenskin kind, and his destiny as the prophet of Warg is within his grasp. Drawn by the fate to hunt the orc down, Wolf Lord Ragnar Blackmane and the stealthy infiltrators of his great company have tracked Fracker to the heart of the growing tide of anarchy and destruction. The hunt will end one way or another. So, exclusive miniatures inside, which are now no longer exclusive, but you get Leman Russ, you get Ghazghkull, you also get a 32-page Prophecy of the Wolf campaign book, fold-out core rule sheet, one Space Wolf Primaris transfer sheet, and one Orc transfer sheet. Dyslexia there. 23 miniatures included. You get Ragnar Blackmane, 10 Primaris infiltrators, you get Ghazghkull Fracker, Macarai, 5 orc knobs, which are at the back here, 3 mega knobs, and a grot oiler. Within this box you'll find 2 mighty armies, comprising of 23 Citadel miniatures, ready to assemble and hurl straight into the fight. All the rules you need to play. I'll be honest, I have no plans to really collect an orc army. So I'm going to try and paint up a few different clans, so that we can get some quick and dirty paint videos out. Also the same for the Space Marines. I've got zero interest in Space Wolves. Jeez, I can't get in the box. There we go. I got zero interest in painting Space Wolves. Ragnar might even find himself getting converted into something for my Executioner army. Whereas the Infiltrators will most likely become quick and dirty paint schemes for other chapters. Ultimately, it would be rude not to paint one Space Wolf, so we will paint one up. Whether that will be Ragnar remains to be seen. Get rid of that garbage. Look at that. Ooh, it's a fresh box. It's a fresh box. Oh, let's see. I didn't pay a lot for this. It was quite cheap, actually, I think. I worked out, I think it was like half price or something stupid. The 2 heroes alone covered the cost of the box if I was going to buy it brand new. So, bag of bases. We've all seen that. I guess this is the... Hang on. Is this the Ragnar sprue it looks at? Very nice, very nice. Not much to see. He has his chain blade, frost blade, I guess. Put that over there. This has to be Ghazghkull. Based on that giant base. Get it? Based. I'm sorry, I'll get my coat and leave. But that is a terrifying sprue to look at. There's so many pieces. What am I looking at now? This looks like the mega knobs. I'm guessing that because there's a mech boy bit. Are these full sprues? Can I make whatever I want? That'd be pretty cool. What else we got? We got, looks like 4 orc knobs. And they're gubbins. Then we got some more, that looks like more Mech Boy stuff. Not Mech Boy, Mega Knobs. Then we have, whoa, 2 more sprues of orc knobs. There's so many bits. It looks like there's some crazy weapons and power claws. I'm going to have a read up on how one armor. And then we have 2 Space Marine sprues. I'm actually not too worried about how I build the Space Marines. Like I said, they're going to just be quick and dirty videos. So 2 sprues of them. And we get, what else do we get? Ooh. Piece of poster art that we can hang. I have a lot of pictures in my room according to my daughter. So this will add to the collection and annoy her even more. Oh, Ghaz's base. Whoa, look at that. It's a big base. Space Wolf transfer sheet. Anybody who's interested, drop me a comment. Find me on social media. Direct message me. Send carrier pigeon. If you want this sheet, let me know. As long as you don't live somewhere crazy expensive to post to, I'm happy to post that off. We also have an orc one. Any orc lovers out there, let me know. Happy to shoot these out to somebody who's actually going to use them. Oh, and then we have an empty box. Get rid of that. And then the book, also incredibly shrunk wrapped. They really need to have ripcords on these. How am I meant to get into this without damaging it? We have a quick paint guide. It's not a very good paint guide, to be honest with you. It's just, here you go, we use these colours. Work it out yourself. All my days, I'm struggling to cut open stuff. There we go. Let's see what we got. So this, I would imagine, is the how to build. Oh, yep. So Ragnar, 1 sprue, Primaris infiltrates 2, Fracker's got 2, Orc knobs 3, Mega knobs 3. Let me know if you want to see how to build. Oh, I get choice, infiltrator and incursor. Do I do 5 and 5? Drop me a note in the comments. I think I should do 5 and 5, and then at least I've made a bit of both. What have we got? So that makes the squad. Then we go on to Ghazghkull Fracker. That's a massive model. It's actually terrifying. What's this? Choose the variant you want to build. Oh, so he can be like leaning in or bellowing. I quite like this one. Maybe I'll throw it up on Instagram to let people choose. Shows you how to do that. Wow, there's so much stuff. This is, why did I open this? Orc knobs, gonna make 5. You can pretty much arm them however you please. And we got mega knobs, we got a little ammo run. Oiler squig. Can make a mech boy. That's kind of cool. Might have to make mech boy rather than a knob squad. I don't know. Too many choices. Ah! That's pretty cool. Oh, what the hell is that? I like it. I like it. Whatever it is, I like it. And a quick color chart. What we got here? We got the core rules. Wonder if this is still up to date. I would imagine it's probably not. Rerolls, roll-offs, sequences. shooting phase. I guess probably not much has changed in that regard. Melee weapons, morale phase, and then the prophecy of the wolf. A little bit of a fluff page by the looks of things. That's just a crazy model. Lair of the beast. Oh, this is maybe actually a bit more modern because it does have. This could be from 9th. I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments. I guess I could Google and not be lazy. A little bit of fluff about the orcs and the space wolves. The epic duel. This might be fun to read. Cunning and brutal. Explains the data sheets. Feral destiny. So it explains all their rules. Explains all the orc rules. Get a data sheet for Ragnar Blackmane. We get a data sheet for the infiltrators. And the incursors. That's handy actually. Pack lead. So yeah, I could do 5 and 5. How they look. Ghazghkull, Macro. Big Mech and Mega Armor if I built one of them. Mega Knob Squad. 1 boss, 2 knobs. How does the Mech Boy unit contains 1 and a Grot Oiler? So if I build a Big Mech, do the other 2 models just basically mean nothing for me? That's annoying. It does seem that way. I'd have to build 3 Big Mechs, or is that the idea? Mega Knobs, Knob Squad. I think we're going to have to build Mega Knobs. Just have a play around. Game rules and missions. I'm not too worried about this because we're probably not going to get the ability to play this. If I do, the figures will look a bit weird. But yeah, there we go. And the little points value, that's probably completely out of date as well. And a beautiful final page. So I'm going to have a proper read of that. Drop me a comment. Is there something you want to see? Do you want me to go more in depth with this book? This doesn't seem that important. Do you want to watch me build stuff? Just let me know in the comments. Cheers for watching.